Do you want to hide the smell of those sweaty clothes after a workout? Tired of those cheap, ordinary bags that rip or don't seal? Introducing Snifflock bags, the all-purpose, odor-proof, heavy-duty, airtight, leak-proof, waterproof, and bug-proof storage bag. Snifflock bags are 3 times the thickness than your ordinary storage bags. These bags have an airtight double seal that locks in odors and liquids, which means nothing can get in or out. Ordinary bags don't seal well or tear in as little as 1 use, but Snifflock's heavy-duty, durable material gives it a long-lasting life through wear and tear. Watch as we put Snifflock to the test. Look, absolutely no leaks. Snifflock bags are great for storing kids' clothes, seasonal wear, holiday decor, arts and crafts, and much more. You could easily turn this cluttered mess into an organized, spacious closet. Or keep your clean clothes from contamination. Not only do Snifflock bags lock in odors, they also lock them out. Snifflock bags are great for food, storage, clothing, packing, pet care, and much more. Snifflock bags come in 6 different sizes to choose from, including 2 new sizes only available through Snifflock. Sizes medium to extra large bags are vacuum sealable. Order now while limited supplies last. Call 855-323-6153 or visit snifflock.com. Call or go online now for this exclusive TV offer. You can get any one of 6 sizes for only $9.99. That's 50% off the original price. Order now while limited supplies last. Call 855-323-6153 or visit snifflock.com.